I would like to video the dog, but I can't find the dog.
High-speed video.
Yeah. Hey, you get back here, wild cat. You're not even the bad cat. You're just wild little Cookie Monster. She smells the goose. It's like, where's the goose? Show me the goose. It's very excited for goose. Oh. Look at these little cookie crumbs. Hi, guys. Oh, you're responding. This one looks like a skunk now. It's even got an S. S for skunk. Look at that. It's almost like a reticulated python.
Sure.
Look at that.
Apparently Blossom
There's
learned
like
a new
a
word,
white-
a reticulated python.
And you know what? It's totally awesome because from this angle, it looks like there's a little
scared.
sneaky
This one's
snake on her
scared.
head.
This one's scared because Blossom's talking trash. Pythons. Talking pythons.
No, reticulated ones,
Oh,
Brian.
reticulated.
They're ticklish.
I don't know what that means.
It means they're ticklish.
Sounds like they've been regurgitated.
Hi,
Reticulated.
sweetie baby boy. How are you doing, Mr. Little Boy?
He says, I'm very scared right now.
Oh, sweetie.
He says,
Your mama was all excited because she was getting goose,
I don't know
baby.
what's going on. I didn't get no goose. I'm gonna offer you a piece of goose and see what you say.
So I'm too scared to open my mouth because there's a reticulated python in my bed.
That doesn't even smell like goose. It smells like reticulated python.
Another
Here's
boy.
Reticulated blue tick. Puppy.
He can't be, Brian, because both parents are tricolor.
There you go. The genetics again.
You could at least wipe some sawdust off Mr. Hubba Bubba baby Cookie Monster baby here. Mmm. Chubsy wubsies, eh, Dino? And they're reticulated tricolor.
This must be the reticulated python. Pythonated
See, look at that.
puppy.
Look at that little pup.
That beautiful skunk stripe. Skunky.
Oh, she's so tired out about all this nonsense. She's so cute. That's a cool pattern. Changes depending on what direction you look. It's got a snake head pattern on her head. You
That
know?
little one's chicken. Look at her. She's hiding in the corner.
Oh, she says I smell goose and Mom's not sharing. That's a little girl in the corner there, Bri. Boy. It's a boy. Hi, Mom. What are you doing?
I mean goose.
Look at the tail wagging as she's eating. Oh, now it's not. You're silly. Very sweet babies. I think these ones, they're older, but they seem a little smaller to me.
Yeah, they're smaller than what?
Fat cats? We'll see when they go to the vet and get weighed.
No, they're close.
Yeah, close, but
Watch your head.
okay.
Not you. The dogs just won't grab
Oh. I thought you were closing the lid on me.
it. I'll slam the lid down.
Slammed the lid on my head while I was videoing. Might improve the quality.
I just said watch your head after I slammed it down.
Very cute babies.